Howdy folks, T-Joe here in South Florida. It's nice, balmy 75 degrees. The humidity's not too bad. And it's a nice sea breeze blowing this last couple of days. And I got a video today where we're going, well, about 3 or 4 weeks ago, I picked up a bunch of played with road champs police cars from the police collection, somebody's toys, because they're all beat up. And I said I was going to show it to y'all one by one, and here we go. We're going to try to keep it short and move it quick. I know y'all don't like long videos. So this first one here, I believe it's DC police. See, the light bar is coming up. It's loose, it's coming off, and kind of faded. Play with condition. We're outside. We're next to a park, so you're gonna hear some noises. And we got a neighbor a few houses away. I like Camaros, but that's a ugly souped-up Camaro, and it sounds ugly too. So you may hear that in the background. But anyway, this car here, we're going to separate them into keepers and parts cars. This one here, and right up ahead will be like purgatory. Not sure what to do with them yet. That one's going to go right there. The next one I got to show y'all is right here. Ohio State Patrol. This is a beautiful livery. I like it. Chevrolet Caprice. And the glass is scratched up. This is a keeper for sure. I want to see if I can polish off some of those scratches, bring a shine back to it, maybe give me a parts car with nice glass that I can swap it out. Another Chevrolet. But anyway, let's stick it here in the keeper category. The next one is a state trooper from Kansas, Crown Victoria. This one here is, yeah, all of them I play with condition. I would like to keep this one. Light bar looks good. Let's see what we can do with it. And we gotta bring a city car here. This is Baton Rouge, Louisiana. This one's pretty battered up. The light bar is faded. I told you I live next to a park and I got rude neighbors. But anyways, I heard a meow. I hope we don't get invaded by the cat. She's getting closer. There she is. Oh, good grief. Anyways, this Baton Rouge car, it's got decent glass. Maybe that'll be the donor for Ohio. But it's a parts car on this side. Next car is a Georgia State Police. Get out the way. Get out the way. And it's a pretty livery, blue and silver. But it's got a pretty good nick here. And light bar looks good. All the lights seem to be there. This door is sagging a bit. Yep. Right now, we're going to put it as a parts car. Next one is a Crown Vic. Ontario Provincial Police, I think. Hope I pronounced it right. It's got pretty decent glass. Decent light bar. And the OPP car that I have already is in pretty decent shape. So this it'd be beat up. I'm gonna put it in purgatory to either be a parts car or it'll be a project car. Make a slick top out of it or something. I'll put it in purgatory for now. Here comes the California Highway Patrol Chevrolet Caprice. This is all nicked up too. Light bar is loose. The door's sagging a bit. Probably end up being a car. But on that side, Royal Canadian Mounted Police Chevrolet Caprice. I already got one of these two in good condition. This was a little scratched up, but we can make it into a project car. So we'll keep it. Next one's right here is Nevada Highway Patrol. Another Chevrolet. Doors seem to be in good working condition. And the glass is a bit scratched up. A couple of nicks here and there. Next one here, Lady Ninja Squirrel. State Trooper out of Alabama. This one's all scratched up. Glass, light bar, everything. Lights seem to all be there. So, parked in the scrapyard for now. Next one, Nebraska State Patrol, plain white. After the light bar is missing, it's all scratched up. Got suspension issues. Somebody in a dirt bike making a lot of noise for us. As soon as I started making the video, he started it up. This one here is gonna go in the scrapyard. For now, it may change, but for now. And here we go. West Virginia State Police. This one here has got a crooked axle. His glass is all scratched up. Light bar looks good. Let's see. Maybe we can make a project out of it. Undecided. We'll put it in purgatory. Get it away. Idaho State Police. I like this livery. Oh my gosh. This cat. Black and white. Again, it's got a problem with the glass. It is a Chevrolet. Yes, I don't know what to do with it. Don't really have the paint. You can do something with it. Put it on purgatory. Somebody's smoking some weed in the park. Well, tomorrow's 420, so Michigan State Police, and they're pretty blue. This one is seen as better days. Must have been the kid's favorite because it's all scratched up. Door sagging. So I'm gonna keep it. So it'll be a projects car. Maybe one of those ex-police beater cars. You know, we put some spray paint over the markings and save the light bar for somebody else. Make it look like a beater car. Next, we got another blue Chevrolet Caprice, New York State Police. Same thing with this one. It's all ragged out. I do the same with this one. Lights are all here. Lights are all here. Door's not the baddest shape. Y'all leave a comment, see which one's we should keep or not. But now we're gonna put this one in purgatory. Hopefully the cat will knock it over. She started to act up. Wisconsin State Patrol Chevrolet Caprice. Decent glass. Not too bad a shape. Put on the keeper section. Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Ford Crown Vic. Missing the light bar. Lots of dings, dents, scuffed up headlights. Put it on this side. Not all cars on this side are going to be parts car, but they're in the worst conditions. And we got Florida Highway Patrol Crown Victoria with a newer lot. The visual light bar. It's not too bad a shape. It's missing one of those lights though. Put it on the keeper area and see if we can find another one that'll donate one of those lights or just change the light bar all together. Okay, not that many more to go, I don't think. I'm reaching in this box, trying to reach over the cat. Okay, right here we got Chevy Caprice, State Trooper, Tennessee. Paint's not too bad. Oh yeah, it's got a bunch of scuff marks, but the light bar is good, and the glass is fair. The light seems to be there. The door's closed, right? Let's see what we do with this one. Boop. Only got a couple more, 3 more. There's your State Police. New Mexico State Police, Chevrolet Caprice. Red on red light bar looks good. Glass not too bad. None of these cars is in perfect shape, but this one don't look bad at all. Don't look too bad. 2 more to go now. And the South Carolina car. Need a headlight for it. I mean, a light bar. The headlights are there. We'll see. Some of these cars may get repainted. Boop. Here comes the cat again. All finicky. Last one. And I had to go to a handheld because she's gonna knock over my iPhone. Rhode Island State Police, Crown Victoria. This one may be the one in best shape of them all. So I may just leave this one as is. Well, light bar's a little loose, but we can fix that. Otherwise, it's missing a tail light. So I'm pretty sure we'll find a donor, because overall this one is not in bad condition. So we're in South Florida, and we got a curious cat here who rated us. So y'all take care. And Transit Joe from South Florida. We're gonna go inside some air conditioned comfort. Bye-bye.